Yes, now with a technical view of what's happening with these markets, Thomas Nagel from equinet. Good afternoon, Thomas. Where are we starting?
Yeah, hi Guy. Welcome here back from Frankfurt. Guy, we have a lot of bad news this week, last week. Let's start with, of course, some bad views for some indices. Let's start with the Dow Jones Transportation Index. Do you remember we spoke about that 2 weeks ago? And in this case, I told you that if the big level of 4,690 will be broken, we will see a strong acceleration on the downside. And take a look at the index. It happens and we go down. Clearly, of course, the Dow Jones Transportation, is part of the Dow theory. That means if the Transportation Index doesn't confirm any new highs on the Dow Jones Index itself, it means we have a lot of troubles in front of us for the next time. And here we are. Means from further underperformance for the transportation means further underperformance for the Dow Jones Index. And it's the 1,000 index it's up for the last 5 years, and the underperformance is away. And of course, take a look at the big level of 70.50. It was broken these days. The market is fighting about the level, but I think a further break of this will point for a further acceleration on the downside here. And small caps are over, I think, further underperformance. But let's start now with some positive indices. Of course, one of them is the Nasdaq Composite Index. We talked about it 2 weeks ago too. And this index started a strong acceleration 2 months ago with a break of its underperformance. You see here the downtrend line that was broken 2 months ago. And what we see within the last days and weeks is nothing more than an acceleration, in my opinion. And I think this setback will only be the base for a further acceleration. So make an outperformance for this, make an overweight for this sector. What does it mean for Europe? Take a look to EuroStoxx50 Index. We talk about the two. This index is, in my opinion, ahead of a really, really strong acceleration. Therefore, take a look or mention the big figure of 4,365. If you see a break of this level, in my opinion, this index will be the leading index for Europe, and so a strong acceleration will be ahead. Only the market in America will see some down pressure. We could see some selling pressure here too. Take the level of 4,030, worst case, to build up or to open positions, but that's only the worst case scenario.
Thomas, you have a great weekend. Thanks for running us through your charts. Thomas Nagel joining us from equinet. Let's show you what's happening in the bond market today. No real surprise, we're not seeing a great deal of action. It's quite a obviously